Why does your scanner show the P0216 engine code? What does it mean? P0216 is a diagnostic trouble code for injection timing control circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that the engine's PCM has detected that the timing of the high-pressure fuel injection pump is incorrect or outside of expected parameters. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed high-pressure injection pump. Fuel transfer, lift, pump issues. Clogged fuel filter. Injection timing control solenoid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, GMC, Ford, Toyota, BMW, and Skoda models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.